Just hung something right here with the camera off. What we got? Flounder. Not a bad one. Out of season, if you want to call it that. Kind of weird. A lot of controversy around that, but flounder on the board. Hit it right here at the mouth of this little creek. Of course, I turned the camera off right when he hit it, but it's a fish. Get the pliers out for him. He choked it, didn't he? All right, buddy. I mean, that's a borderline keeper when they're in season. But they are not in season. So he is not a keeper. Pretty fish though. Let's let him go. See those spots there? Cool fish nonetheless on the board during our scouting trip. Not complaining.